Delicious creamy iced coffee recipe, homemade coffee shop quality. Hey, coffee lovers! Welcome back to Miss Coffee Baby. Today, we're going to show you how to make the perfect creamy iced coffee right in the comfort of your own home. This recipe is not only delicious but also super easy to make. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of strong brewed coffee, chilled. 1/2 cup of milk, any type you prefer. 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Ice cubes. Whipped cream, optional. Chocolate or caramel syrup, optional. Cinnamon or cocoa powder for garnish, optional. Instructions. Step 1. Brew your coffee. Start by brewing a strong cup of your favorite coffee. Once it's ready, let it cool down to room temperature, and then pop it in the fridge to chill. Step 2. Prepare the sweetened milk in a separate bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. This will add the perfect amount of sweetness and creaminess to our iced coffee. Step 3. Mix in vanilla extract next. Add 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract to the sweetened condensed milk. This will give your coffee a delightful flavor boost. Step 4. Combine coffee, milk, and sweetened milk. Now, take your chilled coffee and pour it into a glass. Add in 1/2 cup of your preferred milk. I'm using whole milk today, but feel free to use almond, soy, or any other milk you like. And don't forget our sweetened milk mixture. Step 5. Stir it up. Give it a good stir to make sure everything is well combined. You'll see that beautiful creaminess come to life. Step 6. Add ice. Time to add some ice cubes to your glass. This will keep your iced coffee nice and chilled without diluting the flavor. Step 7. Optional toppings. For an extra touch of indulgence, you can top it off with some whipped cream. And, if you have a sweet tooth like me, a drizzle of chocolate or caramel syrup won't hurt. Step 8. Final touch. Lastly, you can sprinkle a bit of cinnamon or cocoa powder on top for that perfect finishing touch. And there you have it, folks, a delicious, creamy iced coffee that's better than what you'd get at a coffee shop. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing recipes like this. Cheers! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.